In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dhgate to Shopify, making it easier for you to expand your e-commerce store's product range seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify seller or a newcomer exploring different ways to enhance your store, this guide will walk you through the integration process with clarity and ease. To begin, you'll first want to ensure you're logged into both your Dhgate and Shopify accounts. Make sure you have administrative access, as this will be essential for a smooth setup. Once you're logged in, head over to the Shopify App Store. It's crucial to find the correct app to connect these two platforms. Start by searching for an app that specifically facilitates the integration between Dhgate and Shopify. While there are several third-party apps available, pick one that has good reviews and meets your specific business needs. When you've selected and installed the app, keep your Dhgate account details handy. Having these ready will ensure a quicker process as, during the app setup, you'll be prompted to provide your Dhgate account information. This step is vital for establishing a secure connection between your Shopify store and Dhgate's vast network of suppliers. Following the installation, open the app and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find options to input your Dhgate API credentials. These credentials are key to creating a bridge between the two platforms, allowing for seamless data sharing. Be cautious with these details. Double-check for precision to avoid any unnecessary errors during integration. Next, take a moment to define the parameters for importing products from Dhgate to your Shopify store. This is your opportunity to decide which product categories or suppliers you want to feature. Tailoring this selection to fit your store's theme or target market will ensure that you maintain a consistent brand identity, which is essential for attracting and retaining your customer base. Once your products are selected, sync them with your Shopify store. This step is particularly exciting because it unlocks the door to expanding your offerings. The app will automatically import selected products, allowing you to focus on personalizing product details to better resonate with your customers. You can modify descriptions, adjust prices, and even customize product titles to enhance their appeal in your store. Before going live with new additions, remember to preview your store. This thorough check helps catch any discrepancies or errors that could affect your store's appearance or functionality. It's important to maintain a polished and professional look, ensuring customer confidence in your products. Finally, keep the app updated to avoid any connectivity issues in the future. Regular updates also improve functionality and security, keeping your store running smoothly. As your business grows, consider reassessing the products sourced from Dhgate to adapt to changing market trends and customer demands. And there you have it. Connecting Dhgate to Shopify isn't just about technical integration, it's about strategically expanding your product range to better serve your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling on your e-commerce journey.